and I'll explain it to you. Anybody with a question? Right, so the question, and I'm answering it to you, is I want to improve your communication skills. And excuse me, one way of doing it is to have presentations. You have a presentation in front of class, but due to the number of students that we have and due to time constraints, I said, listen, the video is a backup, right? And it's also evidence that you have done the work. So if you looked at my last year's video, I would have had a class with the moderator and students presented, and I recorded it. All right. Now let's just go through the other parts of the assignment. It says the objective of the assignment was to explore AI. Now our course is called Basic Applications of Artificial Intelligence, and used to generate and promote blah 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 blah. And the website that we're using is www.famous.ai is a platform, right? And we want to create AI generated content, right? And I had asked you to create a prompt that includes input, processing, and output. That's the basic, uh, well, let's call it programming in concepts, right? Let me just quickly share this link, copy meeting link, and see if I'm going to share this link quickly in WhatsApp. Right. So there is an aspect called prompt engineering, right? If you had done the AI course, you would have learned about prompt engineering. So if you go to www.famous, or let's just copy this here, let's just copy HTTPS. I'm going to copy this and it says create an account. Let's go to copy. Let's go to Google Chrome. Let's paste that. Right, so I've already created, I've already logged in. I've created an app or two. Let me go to my dashboard. And the two projects that I have is a birthday wish. Well, I have quite a few. I've got the age calculator. Right, let's go to project management. So here's my project management app. And I want to preview it. So I teach another course called project management. And I said, I'm not going to be there for my students on Tuesday and Wednesday. So let me create an app so that they can work on it on their own. Right. So I'm going to share this app with you. And what I'm using right now is MS Teams. I'm going to record this, and here's my video. So if I'm unable to present to my students, there it is, right? There's my app. So Control C. Let's post that in the WhatsApp group quickly. Ah. So now you have an idea of what, let's post in the chat here. Right, it's posted in the chat. And it's posted in WhatsApp. So there's my app. Back to share. Right, so how did I create this app? What prompt did I use? Start the learning. It wants my name, my email address, organization. So students will have to fill this in and continue and continue and continue. So this is what I wanted you to create. All right. And you will notice in a matter of minutes, you'd be able to create an app that can be deployed on the net and you can share it with fellow students. All right. So let's go on. So I've done that, I've created it, and in my case, I'm going to use an education explainer video, right? And my education explainer video is how you will create an app to teach project management. All right. Now, some of you may have decided to sell a product, and after I completed my project, I just need to have a short reflection on why I created it. So the title of my project is Project Management 4. Well, kind of weird. Project and Project Management 4. The goal in mind was to teach my students the steps involved in creating a project. What were some of the challenges I faced? Uh, well, for one, students may not have been uh, IT savvy. They may not have had the clues to understand or the concepts or the knowledge to understand project management. And here I'm throwing in them deep end. What surprised me about it? Speed, how quickly I was able to create an app and deploy the app. Would you recommend this? Yes, I would definitely recommend it, right? So what's my screenshot of the app? Let me go to my app and let me take a screenshot of it. So there's my app, right? And I made it, when I say a unique one, to me, I put my name in it, right? I put my name in it. There's my name there. Now there's my name out there. So now you know it's personalized. It's my work. Right. So I hope that answers your question as to what you need to do. Right? Cool. So there's my app, and there, and I showed this to you in class as well for those who were. Right. So that's what I wanted. Uh, Now all I need to do is record this and post it to. In my case, I will post it to YouTube. And there's my evidence that I've done the work, and I can share this with other people. So that was the reason for the video. All right. Okay. Any questions? Hello? I know my speakers are nice and loud. Audio settings, speaker, microphone. Right. Okay. Can we call it a day? The program for our faculty, I think it's already started and I'm a bit late. Kay Governor, yes, Kaylin, I got your WhatsApp. Relax. All right, so don't email me the assignments. I'd like y'all to submit the assignment on MS Teams. Let me show you how it's done. Right, submission MS Teams. For those of you who have emailed, it's okay. I'll accept that as well. Right, it should have. Right, we'll post the document out here. Where's the assignment? Ah, there's the assignment. There's assignments there. And there's, click on it. And so let's just say I'm going to try Kaylin Governor, not turned in. So let's go to Kaylin Governor. And this is where you submit the assignment, right? You can give me your, well, I'm going to give you feedback out there, right? And you will, well, obviously I can't submit it. The student work is, no student work attached. Let's see if anyone has attached it. Did not turned in. Ooh, people didn't even look at this assignment. Anybody has done the work. Anyone has submitted it. Oh man, no one. Nobody has submitted the work. Let me take a photo and post this now to the students. Please submit. Please submit on MS Teams and not via email. Oh, oops, email. Oh, I'm missing my glasses. Right. Class, can we call it a day? I've got to meet my head of department and still go down to the venue, and also the internet fluctuates. Right. Oh, sorry, you can't see my screen. Why don't you? Okay, sorry, let me do that again. Right, so let's go back to MS Teams. Right, so this is what I was showing you. Let's go back to, you don't need that. I don't need that. I don't need the assignment. So I want you to go to MS Teams. This is where you go, you'll find it. You find it under assignment tab. You click on the assignment tab and there's the students. So Dlamini viewed it, Jaden viewed it, but they didn't turn it in. Kaylin not turned in, Nicole not turned in. Okay, all right. So class, I gotta go. My colleague is here. We'll chat on Monday, face to face. Bye.